Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Crawfordsville, local and long-distance movers near me. It's a long-distance move if you move more than 50 miles away. Moving great distances necessitates that you meet all the conditions set forth by the authorities in charge of the process. Because of our strong relationship with these people, relocations are a breeze. In order to transport you and your possessions, we have obtained an official permit. As a result, the transfer will be less stressful. They are safe and sound in our hands, and to avoid damage to your valuables, professional movers meticulously pack and load each shipment. In addition, our vehicles are capable of transporting and relocating even the heaviest of household goods. In the event of a claim, we have enough insurance coverage. Long-distance driving is something our drivers have a great deal of experience with, and this isn't the first time relocating, and they've done it before. With their extensive knowledge of the finest routes, they'll bring you to your final destination on schedule and without any hassle. Local moves in Crawfordsville are no problem for 3 movers. While local moves aren't as complicated as long distance, you still need to make appropriate and proper preparations for your upcoming relocation. For the greatest results, we assist our clients in managing and conducting their local moves. We also help whenever you need us. Just give us a ring, and if you need assistance with anything else. In Crawfordsville, we know all the best routes to get you to your destination on time and an hourly rate about $30 to $40 an hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Crawfordsville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. Request a free quote using our online request form.